Term life insurance isn't about providing an inheritance to your loved ones, it's about making sure they don't have to worry about paying the bills without you. First, let's look at a few things your income might help pay for. There's the rent or the mortgage, maybe some credit card debt, school fees, groceries, doctor's bills, and utilities, and that's just getting started. If something happened to you, how would your family meet all of these financial obligations? They might be able to fall back on some savings, but most families don't have enough to last very long. That often means selling the family home. It can be a tough loss, especially for children who are already dealing with the death of a family member. This is where term life insurance can help. It pays out a lump sum to your beneficiaries, providing the money they need to pay the bills. It's one less thing to worry about during a difficult time. Each person who makes a substantial contribution to the household can be insured, even if you're not earning an income. For example, if one parent stays at home to look after the children and manage the household, that level of care cannot be easily replaced. If something happened to the primary carer, the surviving members of the family would have to rely on other people to step in. Otherwise, they would have to find a way to pay for childcare. With term life insurance, the benefit can be used to cover the cost for the unpaid work that the primary carer was doing. But remember, life insurance can't make a difference in your family's life if you don't have